Hello everyone, welcome back to C for Cookbook. Today I am very excited to share this delicious cashew nut green peas curry recipe with you. It's also known as Kaju Matar Masala. It's a super simple one-pot curry made in a pressure cooker and you can prepare it in just 30 minutes. The best part is there is no need to saute the onions and tomatoes for a long time. Everything is cooked perfectly in the pressure cooker. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To make this curry, heat a pressure cooker on medium flame. To this, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add whole spices like cinnamon, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves and bay leaf. Now saute it on low flame for a few seconds. Next, add 1 large onion sliced, 1-inch piece ginger roughly chopped, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 2 tomatoes roughly chopped, salt to taste. Now saute it on medium flame for a minute. After a minute, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Give it a quick mix. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook for 2 whistles on high flame. After 2 whistles, turn off the flame and let the pressure release naturally. After the pressure is fully released, carefully open the lid. Now you can see the onion and tomatoes are cooked nicely. Now remove the whole spices like cinnamon, black cardamom and bay leaf. Transfer the cooled mixture into a mixer jar. Now grind it to a fine paste. Add 3/4 cup of fresh green peas, that is matar, to boiling water. Cook on medium flame for about 5 minutes until the matar becomes soft. Once it's done, turn off the flame and remove the matar from the water and keep it aside. Now heat the same pressure cooker on medium flame. To this, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next, add 1/4 cup of cashew nuts. Roast the cashew nuts on low flame until golden brown. Once the cashews are roasted nicely, remove them to a bowl and keep aside. In the same cooker, add a half teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now mix it gently. To this, add prepared onion tomato paste. Now gently mix everything well. Keep stirring on low to medium flame until the gravy thickens and you see the ghee separating beautifully. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Look at this, the gravy has thickened perfectly and you can see the ghee separating beautifully. To this, add a half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of roasted kasuri methi powder. Gently mix it well. Now add hot water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Give it a good mix. To this, add boiled green peas and roasted cashew nuts. Mix it well. At this point, season with the salt as needed. Cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. Let's open the lid. Wow, you can see it has cooked beautifully and the aroma is just amazing. To this, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. And finally, add freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix and turn off the flame. So our rich, creamy and delicious Kaju Matar Masala is ready. Serve it hot with roti, naan, chapati or jeera rice. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video. Bye.